there you go. Connor bought it. He's retiring his old one because it's in rough shape. You guys remember we picked up that electric scooter. I just sold it to Connor, and he's going to swap the electronics over from this one to that one because it's in better shape, right? It's in better shape. Yeah, hell yeah. So that worked out. Now we're going to go let her rip, Tater Chip. We're going to go fly somewhere now that we're out in Dunedin. We came to hang with Connor for the day and drop off this electric scooter for him so we could swap frames and do his thing. So see you guys in a minute. Boys are back in town. Getting it. Getting it. Meow. What's up, B?
Oh, snap.
Yeah, phone wars.
Oh, there's Connor.
I can't see him because the lighting's like totally screwing him up there. There we go. Hey-ya. Orbit mode engaged.
Life is a bitch. It's hurting me. Yes, I said life is a bitch, y'all. It's hurting me. You know my life is rough, living in the street. Life is a bitch, y'all. Life is a bitch, it's a bitch on me. Call my job, they might lay me off. Yes, I'm gonna call my job, they might lay me off. 3 or 4 hungry baby, starving lady, too many worries, too many bills I gotta pay. It's a bitch out. I can't help myself. Don't give me no more words. Money's what I need. Life like this ain't funny. It's a bitch, it's a bitch, it's a bitch on me. It's a bitch out. It's a bitch out. Life is a bitch. It's a bitch, it's a bitch, it's a bitch, it's a bitch, it's a son of a bitch. It's a bitch, it's a bitch, it's a bitch, it's a bitch, it's a bitch. If you live like this.
Hey, Doc, we better back up. We don't have enough road to get up to 88.
Roads? Where we're going, we don't need roads.